Welcome to chemistry at Mill Hill County High School. Here at Mill Hill County High School we offer chemistry as an A-level, where it's divided into two separate chemistries modules. You've got physical chemistry and organic chemistry, which is also two separate teachers that will be teaching you. The specification that we follow is AQA. We've got a spec handbook that you'll be provided, as well as textbooks which you can borrow from the library or get from Amazon, which you will be instructed to do so because it will help you in the course. Also, we've got 4 chemistry teachers: Mrs. Bendolia, Ms. Rai, and Mrs. Samir, and myself, Ms. Abdullah. And there is a lot of options. If you're passionate about science and passionate about chemistry and everything in the world around you, I highly recommend that you look into chemistry. Everything around us in the world is based on chemistry, from all the materials, everything in the air, from what you can see and you can't see. It has chemistry in it. And if you're passionate about knowing about all of these things, I highly advise that you look into chemistry, because the career options available is so broad. So for example, you've got so if you think about it, chemistry is linked to many different subjects. You've got biology, physics, as well as psychology, and so on. So in the sense that if you were thinking of becoming a forensic scientist, investigating crime scenes, working for companies or the government, you can go into that. If you're interested in chemical engineering, fire engineering, working alongside physicists, having the knowledge of all the elements, the atoms, the properties, the chemical properties, the physical properties, and so on, it will completely open your eyes to a whole new world. Also, if you're looking into becoming a doctor, medicine, a pharmacist, a pharmacologist. So pharmacology is the interaction between drugs and living systems. So formulating different types of medications and drugs to find cures to different diseases, viruses, and so on. And also, if you're thinking to go into research, there's also microbiologists and so on that you can also look into. In the course, you will be given also practical skills, which you need to take with you to university. It is 12 required practicals that you have to complete over the 2-year period. You will have 6 practicals in the first year and 6 practicals in the second year. You will carry out these practicals and you will be also assessed on them, but we'll make sure that you are able to correctly complete the entire practical and gain the skills that you need to take with you in your future careers. And as you finish all of them, we sign you off. There are no coursework or assignments, just these practicals. We will then make sure that you get all the required skills to take you to university and so on, and anything in your aspirations. Now, also got to mention that we have lots of different resources that we provide in the school. We've got chemistry fact sheets. We also follow the chemistry review. We've got simulation from the Royal Society of Chemistry to do online experiments, as well as a lot of interesting competitions. So you've got the Chemistry Olympiad, we've got the Cambridge Chemistry Challenge, where a lot of students have won different medals from our school itself. It is a very interesting subject, however, it is very tough. So make sure that you feel quite positive and strong in your science knowledge, or if you have the passion and determination to do it, as well as having the math skills, because it is a mixture of maths and science. Also, there's a few things I want to mention is that it will be a lot of hard work, and we will make sure that we have chemistry clinics and so on to support you with that. We look forward to seeing you in September. Take care.